Anyways, another 45 minutes. Begin. Time up, please.
So remember, class, never take no for an answer, no matter what it may be.
Sir, we can use the bathroom.
The class just start. No.
Hello, go sit down. Where you going? What do you mean when me go, sir? Me go to the bathroom. Me here, I say. No. No. Sir, me learn fast enough. And you just said no. It's not an answer. Hello? Sir, me want piss.
Class, today we are going to do religious education. So, with that being said, can anyone tell me what is fasting? Fasting is putting away food to pray to God for forgiveness and blessing.
Stop your mouth. That is foolishness. If you are not the idiot, I am. Write this down.
Fasting is the process of being Usain Bolt.
Big jackass. Write that down. Sorry, that's to say a big flipping idiot. Shut up your mouth.
Your brain is very atmospheric and dehydrated.
So what you talking about? The atmosphere and have nothing to do with my brain. How must you know if you do not study metamorphic rocks? Come out of my class. You are insulting my imagery.
No, Father God, no. Class, today we will be doing English language. With that being said, can anyone use the word herpes in a sentence? Sir, the doctor told Christina that she had herpes. Wrong. Please write this down. Tiffany mother cooked stew peas, but when Tiffany went home, she only see rice. She did not see herpes.
So what kind of foolishness you teach me?
Shut up your mouth. I am an astronaut pilot. I fly in space.
What? So astronaut have nothing to do with pilot?
Shut up your mouth. Your brain is like a moon. If I ever walk on it, I would be moonwalking because you only think backwards. Get out of my class.
Brain? Moonwalk?
You're like a cow in space. You only know the Milky Way. Don't come back.
So here we go on, you go collect it and pay and go pay him.
Wait, what?
You deaf? You go pay the man when the man collect the stuff.
Collect what?
The packages from the Cuban.
What?
You don't know dog the
We don't know. No fish we go catch.
fish. You know dog at the wrong boat you found pan.
Hey, you there!
Jimmy that catch we jump.
My youth.
Sorry my boss, me I jump too. Yeah, swim.
Throw from the boat on here, required to take action!
I told you just come like a big waste idea, damn. You can never understand the holiday.
mean?
It don't make no sense.
Why?
Dog, you see them just a forced holiday upon us, dog. Like, it don't make no sense, dog. What if me not believe in it?
Damn, I think it's so serious.
Ridiculous. But Labor Day. Why if I PMP, me say? Like, dog, and everybody have to say JLP, brother. Dog, I told you just come like a big waste idea, damn. Just can never understand the holiday, brother. Dog, you see them just a forced holiday upon us, dog. Ridiculous. But Labor Day. Why if I PMP, me say? Why if I PMP, me say?
Why for PMP,
You know, see the regular boy, them win them cricket match what they are.
If I can burger.
Yeah, man.
Daddy! Look what you're doing with me! Lizard biggie, man! Watch it! Watch it, Daddy!
How much time I tell you for chat properly?
Daddy, look pan the lizard how it big. Hey Peter, my friend Fat Skull is studying with us today.
Fat Skull? What kind of name is Fat Skull? Okay, can I have a seat, Fat Skull?
Mark, could you please tell me where the pyramids are found?
England! England! Tell him no! We are talking about Egypt for you. Ever heard him say?
The Great Pyramids of Egypt.
That even sound right.
The Great Pyramids of England.
That sound right, brother. Egypt known for sun and desert.
Desert.
Desert. Man, fool for desert. Desert, they are downtown. Look how much people wear desert in Jamaica. Desert known for Jamaica. Everybody knows desert clocks. You have to learn to shut them out.
Alright now class, how far is Jamaica from Haiti? Anybody? Sir, me.
Sir, you can go ahead.
Alright sir, the answer is I think 537 kilometers.
Oh, well, the answer I think is wrong.
Okay, so is there anyone with sense that can answer me?
Me, sir. We, sir.
Go ahead lads.
Wait, how far is Jamaica from 80, right? So Jamaica 54. Yeah. So 54.
Yeah.
Minus 80.
Yeah.
That's a 26. So that means a 26.
26! Yeah, this thing is 26, sir. I'm me first.
Yes, I knew you guys had it in you. I knew it. Yes, I knew it. Oh God. Yes.
You sure you know what? Yeah, man. Joke me. Alright, just give me the fries. Blessings. Well, yeah, when I'm so fucking girl, you tell me say no one. Well, you fries. Yeah, give me some. Where are you? Stop going fries. Stop going fries. Not even my ketchup. You have to tell me what to do. Cash the hat. No, tell me what to
again for seatbelt, sir.
Yes, officer.
You know, see me, I used to go to the same school.
Yeah, you do go to the same school.
Yeah,
What school,
business school, the same business school, man.
Business school.
Yes, man.
This is Rambi.
Nice little brown in the there.
Yes, officer. I know she cute. Whatever.
Alright, you want to talk to
What?
her? What's the want to talk to
Officer, you're not getting my girl. You can't get my girl.
I got
You cannot get
$43,000
my
ticket,
girl.
that's still enough.
40 who?
$43,000 ticket.
Basta mo shubot! Nah, dem on the shubot.
Listen to
Girl,
me,
I'm
no, man.
gonna
Listen to me.
put them car. Put them car. I want the girl. Lock the door.
Comply.
Oh, Joshua! I got some learn how to make high school water card the place art. I'm your dad. Ooh, watch out! You feel my idiot? I bet so when the place hot, I'm gonna just blow the cool out of my nose. I wipe it in on the fan so the place get cool. Why me never think of that? I bet my sister so come out of school and start sell math because she do maths at school. Why me never want one of them math there? I bet my grandfather always play cash pot and lose. Joshua, how are these? Ice. And if me fling them pan you, where you go do, Joshua? Scream. So you know who can make ice cream, Joshua?
Mommy, I finally decide which university I want to go. Is it me? But it there China.
China! No, sir! Can you hear them lock down like shop at night time? You feel like you're going to see what them say?
That's crazy.
You swear by your guts you're Chinese I am. I could your future. I must your gut you think about make you want to go there, sir. Cause you would have named anything. Dog, rat, cat, squirrel, anything. Squirrel? See there? Y'all are correct me. You look like you name it already. That's why your face bush up like them feel.
Take a walk.
Walk? You mean you're gonna take a dog? Order somebody else and chop it up and make Chinese food with it. You're trying to use my toilet after you done name that. And Jamaica you go school. Oh, Joshua. I got some of that pissing on my bed when my day asleep. Wait. So, I got to the first time I see chicken and fly them shaking on my face. So, Mama, chicken can shake it. And one time, I got some eat real worm. Cause my mother could have buy the gummy worm them for me. That's sick. I bet one time I eat elastic man. Cause my food could have stretch. Wow. Joshua, you lose. No, I don't think. I bet so one time, Cartel bring back clocks in a style. And no cheese never there my off. So I eat the cheese bottom off of the clocks. Yo, Jeffrey.
Yo, forward.
How are you doing?
Yeah, dude. John, I'm hungry.
Yo, where you go to my kitchen for? Yo, what's up, bro? Like you don't know the thing set now, dog. How the food there? I ain't every time you come over here, the food now there. I want fear, dog.
Brother, we are talking about you always and do this. You don't live here,
Yo,
dog.
but I don't leave your food for hours in the house, dog. Come to you. I'm here, son. Yo, I'm here. And this get me vex all the time, you know. But come over here. Watch out. I'm here catch up in the cupboard. And if me and you in our race, so yes, I can't catch up.
Brother, this me no want to house, dog.
Never come over here. I'm food not there again. Our friendship done. I'm not like power with black people. And that me I tell you yet.
Well. It's like the devil set you up on me. Where they are for?
Oh, you look so.
How your face looks, sir? How your head looks, sir? How your teeth looks, sir? Where you beg?
Now, you know, one picture them there. Then we come check for
Not you trying to act like you're their father. You're a SD, a sperm donor. Come out. Not you trying to bring me on the Murray show. You are not the father. You're a sperm donor.
Alright, yo. I just 5 minutes more.
5 minutes? So long? After you never take so long when we are. You know, I'm hold my tongue. Them is out with Jonathan. Them can't go get vaccine. Hold on the eyes in my house.
Who is this?
You there?
Who is this Jonathan?
Jonathan is them father.
What?
Stop an eyes.
Some last time for this.
Not you trying to act like you're a Superman. Hello, Jonathan. I've lice a gun. You try move from there so you might come now. You're so festive.
You're so wicked.
It's the confidence for me.
No.
You good looking like me? You handsome like me? No, just be there. You handsome like me? Must say dopey bad. Where's it? You're back dopey. Instead of dopey bad. You good looking like me?
What is matter, Jaheen?
Miss matter is something that is in your eye. Miss, I stick to the same one.
All right, let me hear the answer again. Let us hear your answer again.
Matter is something that is in your eye.
How others wait on the ice to cool the drink.
Let's wait a little more.
How Jamaicans wait on the ice to cool the drink.
Yo, you know something if me I go doctor morning though? How we I go doctor for? Yeah man, I forgot doctor dog. Cause I don't know, every time I walk, my foot them move man, you know. I don't know if I something wrong with my foot them or you know, but every time I make a step dog. I don't know, I feel like prostate still. I go check it out the morning, cause I can't believe it, me I say. What? Come on. What? Come on.
Since everybody wants to be accent authority and Potter police, today I will be your dialect detective. Look here, today, Caribbean versus the world. Alright, Komi, spell this word right here, so. Plantain. How do you pronounce that word? The word is plantain. Plantain. Look here.
Plantain.
Even TikTok get that right. How you say this word? Mountain or mountain? Fountain or fountain? The word is not no plantain. A plantain.